Hi everyone, this is Raghav Naipati. Today I am going to talk about the third part video series which we have been creating from ASG Zenith team, accelerating the business transformation. So how our ASG Zenith product helps customers and organizations in modernizing, governing and automating to the responsive business platforms. So the agenda for today's topic will be solutions for the responsive business. ASG Zenith has multiple products or solutions for providing responsive businesses and enabling the customers in providing digital transformation. And ASG Zenith Robotic Services being one of the such platforms, which we will talk about today. So with that, I would like to start with the introduction to ASG Zenith Robotic Process Services. The ASG Zenith is our end-to-end digital automation platform where we have all the key business services weaved together, starting with the process services where we provide the end-to-end business process management solutions. We have robotic services where we provide solutions to automate and emulate human tasks using bots. Presentation services, which enables users to visualize the output in form of dashboards through our portal. Repository services, which enables us to integrate with our content repositories. And decision services, which enables to perform some business rules. So thus ASG Zenith is the platform to provide this end-to-end solution, and robotic services allows us as a solution to emulate, mimic and automate human tasks. So what does RPA mean? RPA enables us to emulate all the tasks performed by a human, be it copying, pasting, performing keystrokes, data input and validation, reconciliation, or by simply just clicking of a mouse. All these actions we perform as a human can be emulated, can be mimicked and automated using robotic services. So why do we do this? We as humans, we deal with lot of monotonous and repetitive tasks in our day-to-day life. And automation becoming the new normal. We are entering into an automation age which is pervasive now in this current situation. In a credit card industry where all the repetitive and manual tasks are done by a human today can be taken over by a bot and it can be mimicked. And humans can be left to do something which is value added of like such as approvals, exception management. Thus, we are elevating humans from doing these repetitive tasks and enables it to high value added interactions. So what are the problems and the challenges which this robotic services addresses? The first one being handling highly repetitive and transactional processes. So consider we have highly transactional process of copying data from one system to multiple databases. So we do it as a human as part of our job every day. But consider we are doing this for 100 times or 200 times a day, it becomes repetitive for me and monotonous. So I become boring with this such kind of a task. So with robotic services, we are freeing up the humans from doing these mundane tasks to perform something high value added or interesting. The second being doing these repetitive tasks is highly time consuming and which results in process inefficiency and inaccuracy. Thus, with robotic services, we are enabling faster time to market with minimal human involvement. So humans will be involved only for decision making, exception management, and wherever key thinking or decisions are involved. Third point being important, non-availability of APIs. So with robotic services, we are providing API-less integration. So what does it mean is currently we have a lot of legacy applications which needs APIs to interface, but there are situations where due to security constraints or due to technological constraints, we don't really have APIs to integrate with those applications. So with RPA, we can interface with these legacy applications in a non-invasive mechanism through the user interface. All these repetitive manual tasks become error prone, and because as humans we commit some errors because of the high volume of the task. So consider a person is filling up 100 forms every day, so there is a chance of performing errors. So with bot, what we are trying to do is improve the accuracy with minimal errors. And also there is a huge cost of managing these resources doing the similar tasks. So consider there are 8 people doing the same tasks of copying the data from one system and pasting into another system and filling up a form manually. So we can free up all these resources by deploying bots in place of these resources and then have minimal human intervention. Now let's look at what are the key drivers which help us to drive these automations. The first one being increased productivity and speed with bot, which never sleeps. It works for 24/7 by 365 days, and usually a bot is around 3 to 4 times faster than humans. And the cost of implementing an RPA solution is less than or equivalent to an FTE cost. And over the period of time with large deployments, the cost decreases. So having the bots in place of humans is not a costly affair. Then complying with the accuracy and the regulatory aspects. So we have seen in most the regulatory industries like banks and insurance companies, we have a lot of regulations. So with robotic services, we enable 100% accuracy and compliance. And then the scalability aspects. So suppose we have customer needs where we want to expand our resources. So today we have 10 people working on a project. Tomorrow we need 50 people. So onboarding humans to a project or a program might be difficult and time consuming. It might take 2 to 3 months to have 50 people in your team, but scaling up the bots from 10 bots to 100 or 1,000 is an easy task. And our robotic services provides that opportunity for you to deploy and then scale the bots. And third one being automate without API, where we are interacting with the legacy applications with the API-less integration. So we have 4 different key differentiators, and the first one being organic integration of business process and robotic process. And we call this as an actionable automation platform where humans, systems, and bots together exist with a unified automation experience through a single user interface using ASG Studio. So what do I mean by that? In any industry, we have various business processes which can be digitized using a business process management capability, and those processes can be mapped and documented in the system. And within those processes, we have multiple participants or roles. The first participant can be a human who is performing the monotonous or mundane tasks of filling up some documents or sending up some emails or copying and pasting. And we have a system task like saving it to a database or saving it to a backend application. So with this platform, which we are introducing one more participant, which is a robotic participant, which is going to augment the human in loop to perform all these monotonous tasks and then have the seamless handshake between human and the bot in this organically integrated platform. Then the second one being API-less integration. Robotic services provides seamless integration with any legacy application, consider mainframe, AS400, any ERP or CRM applications through a non-invasive mechanism by just interfacing with the user interface where the bots can extract data from these legacy applications, input data, and perform some processing. And we'll see that in the demo. The third one being our robotic services product has around 100 plus features which we have built. We call it as building blocks. And these automation features help us to cater to the wide array of automation capabilities which can cater to any industries in the market. So starting with simple desktop and a web automation bots where the bots can open up any Word document or a notepad or a calculator, perform some actions, or the bot can open up a website, perform some mouse clicks or submit some data, to varied applications of Excel where the bot can type in some information in the Excel file, create some charts, apply some formulas, and run macros, which are very handy for any front office user. Then interacting with any database and perform some database actions. And bot itself can be exposed as a service where it is triggered. It can be triggered from any external applications or device, be it a mobile device or any external application. Bot can be used to send emails or receive emails, which can be a time-consuming job for a human, where a human has to monitor multiple emails and then compile it, download the attachments. But once you deploy a bot to do those activities, then it becomes very easy. And then the vault management capabilities, where we are providing some security mechanisms to store all the user credentials and PIA information in a secured encrypted vault, which can be used by the bot to minimize some human effort. Then the fourth key differentiator is smart extraction and processing. So this is very useful in the current scenario which we are talking, where the automation has become the new normal, and we don't need to go to visit any bank or any organization to perform some key tasks like address change or submit your KYC. So all we have to do is we have to scan our documents, like for example driver's license or SSN, and then use our OCR capabilities to extract the content from these unstructured documents. And then the bot takes over this unstructured document, converts into a structured format, and reads those elements from those documents and performs some intelligent capture action. So this capability allows us to perform data transformation across multiple varied documents, be it image or a PDF document, and perform some structured actions to enable the capture. With those differentiators, now go into the demonstration of our product, where it is divided into two themes. The first one being the actionable automation, where I would be showcasing you how our ASG Studio platform allows you to automate human, system, and bot tasks within a single integrated unified design desk. Now let me start with a simple use case. Consider a credit card application. So currently the credit card industry is spread across multiple front office and back office operations, where the front office has various tasks of gathering documents from multiple sources, multiple applications, and then typing in the information into an Excel file or a web form and submitting these forms, and by entering into multiple systems. Once it is submitted, it goes to the back office team, who again looks up this information from multiple legacy applications like mainframe or CRM applications. And currently there's no transparency and traceability between the front office and back office, where multiple errors would occur and multiple times the data is re-entered. Like there's a duplicacy of data between the front office and back office, right? So what we are saying is, with our actionable automation platform, we are going to digitize the entire process, starting from the front office to back office processing of credit card, where this entire process can be digitized with our business process management platform. And then we are going to automate and streamline this process with our actionable automation component, which is the robotic services. All the monotonous repetitive tasks, such as gathering data from multiple sources, entering data into multiple systems, and typing in the information, can be taken over by the bots, and only humans can be used for performing some exception handling or performing some approvals or rejections of the application. So what we have seen with this automation is the value proposition is improved time to market. So currently a credit card application takes around 3 weeks or 3 to 4 weeks to process it. But with this automation, we can achieve the end-to-end productivity increased by 80%, where the time to market reaching out to a customer with the new credit card application can be done within a week's time. Then increase productivity and efficiency and accuracy by 90%, because all the heavy lifting is done by the bots, which is designed using our capabilities, and only humans are doing the minimal activities where the chances of errors are very less. Average handling time also increases by 40% as a result of automation, and the productivity increases by around 5 times, because majority of the work is done by the bots. So now let's talk about the end-to-end flow, how it will work in our solution. The first task is done by a human, where the person or the front office agent is going to fill up an application. So the person would open up the form and type in the email address and attach that document, which is required for the credit card application. Then the process kicks in. The process would trigger a bot. So this bot would fetch the application details from the Excel file and start filling up those application form. As if we do as a human, the bot would start filling up this application. Once the form is filled up by the bot, then the bot would trigger our OCR capabilities to perform extraction. So the bot would extract key elements from the application data, such as the key information, PII information like license number and the date of birth, any other information which is used by the bot to perform some comparisons. So once the bot extracts the content, it would also aid the human in loop in doing some auto suggestions. For example, what it would do is it would compare the date of birth in the form against the OCR content, and it would suggest whether this application can be approved or rejected. Now the bot would send that task to a manager who is the human in loop. The manager logs into the portal, views the inbox, and then again the manager can take a decision like approved or rejected. Once the application is approved or rejected, again the bot gets triggered, and it would generate a Word document, which is the final welcome letter to the customer, and then it would also send an email in an Outlook. So these are the steps which I just spoke. Now I would go to our ASG Studio platform where I will start demonstrating. So this is our ASG Studio platform where we have various services, and I will talk about three of them. First one being the process model, where I have designed the end-to-end process. So this is our unique automation platform where we have the system, the bot, and the human participants coming together. So in this application, you would see the form filling activity is done by a bot. The second one is done by a human who is in loop. Then the system takes in some decisioning, which is again sent to the bot to perform the final action. So now let's see that in action. The second service which I would talk about is the robotic services. These are the list of capabilities which I just spoke, where we have around 100 plus building blocks within the RPA. And this is how we will design the robotic process. So once we have this process, robotic process, and the overall process model, and we can go ahead and create the UI models to realize the UI or the form for the users. Now I will go ahead and start this process. So as a front office agent, I would start entering my email ID, and I'll start attaching my a document which is used for the credit card application. So I will go ahead and choose my driver's license, and I click on submit. So once I click on submit, what happens is the bot gets triggered, and this bot would start filling up the application form. The bot would open up a web form which is built using our ASG Studio, and it would start typing in as if a human is typing in and filling up these forms and submitting. So once the bot types in this form, it also performs OCR. You would see in this notepad file, it has performed the OCR to extract the content from the driver's license. And also it has performed a auto suggestion or a pre-decisioning for the human in loop. So what it has done is it went ahead and compared the date of birth which was entered and which was extracted by the OCR. And I'll just show you. By the way, this was the driver's license which was entered. So the OCR content from this driver's license was compared, and then it was approved by the bot because the date of birth matches. So now you can see how easily a bot can be used to aid something in the information which can be used by a human in loop. Now I will go ahead and trigger the process for the inbox. So this inbox is for the manager who is the human in loop. And now the bot has suggested that this application can be approved based on the driver's license data. But as a human, I can take my own judgment and do my due diligence whether it can be approved or not. So once I decide, I click on approved. This would trigger the bot, which would start filling up the final approval letter in a Word document, and then it would send an email. So now it starts to fill up the final approval letter with all the information for the candidate who applied. So now you can see how easy it is for a bot filling up this application form rather than the human doing it multiple times a day and submitting the form. Now it would open up Outlook and start typing in the email address and attach the document. and submit it saying that your credit card is approved. And also it would do for rejection cases wherever applicable. So now you can see how easy it is using our robotic services. You can take the decisioning and also aid the human in performing all these activities which you would do as a human, right? And this is the form which was filled by the bot. So this process comes in very handy when you have large number of transactions and all these repetitive and monotonous tasks are done by a human. So with that, I would now talk about the value proposition which we provide within our ASG Zenith robotic services. The first one being simpler and faster modeling platform. So we have a low code, no code, simple user interface using ASG Studio to design these bots and achieve the end-to-end automation. The second one is the organic integration of business process with robotic services to provide unified end-to-end automation, which can be used across multiple processes within multiple industries. Our bot capabilities provide extensive automations with 100 plus features or building blocks, which cater to varied use cases across industries. Comprehensive OCR capabilities help the customers to meet the digital transformation needs, and using of bots as service provides the flexibility to trigger bots from any device, be it a mobile device, a browser, or a tablet. The bots can be triggered to perform these high-end automations, and also it can be triggered from any external applications using any portal. Then we have the API-less integration, which we just saw in the use case where the bot was used to automate the legacy applications. And we have extensive scheduling, managing, and orchestration capabilities using the Bot Central, where the bots can be mapped to any user machines or nodes and can be used to execute the automations. And we have robust dashboards to track the bot activities, logs, and perform detailed monitoring capabilities. And we provide two flavors of execution. First one being the attended bot, where the bots are deployed to user machines and the users trigger these bots manually. And this is used to augment the human into the day-to-day lives. And the last one being the unattended bots, where the bots are deployed into a virtual machines and they are triggered automatically and scheduled to perform this high-end automation end-to-end. So with this, I would be concluding this session on our ASG Zenith robotic services. So if you have any questions, any queries, please reach out to our website. Thank you for participating in this video series. Have a good day.